Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. I am Alex Hubbard and I'm an automotive enthusiast.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me.
Today we will be tackling changing the cabin air filter in our 2017 Ram 1500. What we have here is a Purolator C25858 cabin air filter. This will be a quick little short video. Anybody can change this. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. On this 2017 Ram 1500, the cabin air filter is located on the passenger side behind the glove box. So the first thing that I'll do to give us a little bit of space to work is to push the seat back. Once we have the seat pushed back, open up your glove compartment and clear out any stuff you might have in there, because we're going to actually have to take it out of the truck to get at the cabin air filter. Now that we have our glove box cleaned out, we have to drop this strap here in order to take the glove box out. So to do that, you just lift up on the door a little bit and slide forward and pull it out. That'll retract back into the compartment. We'll push on the sides of the glove box just like so. It's just plastic, so be careful. We're gonna pull it down like that, and then the air filter is up here. Your cabin air filter is up here, and you'll want to note too, there's a direction that the airflow goes. So in this case, it's pointing downward. We're gonna squeeze the tab on one end, and then come over and squeeze the tab on the other end. And now we're gonna pull the door off here, and that will come out just like this. So this sits in the truck just like you see it here. So you want to push in on this tab and push in on this tab, and then this door will come out. Once the door is out, you can now pull the air filter out. This is where things get a little tricky because it's kind of off to the side. So we'll pull it out, and it might fight a little bit. Not too bad. Get it out of the way. Oh yeah, this guy is very dirty. So see this little arrow here? It says airflow down. So the new filter will have to match this. We'll have to put it in so that this arrow on the new filter faces down. So you can see this filter, this has got just over 25,000 miles on it. It's pretty dirty. It's pretty gross. Some reasons to change this: I'll typically change it at least once a year, just because sometimes they can get like this, I don't know if it's mold or whatever it is, and when you turn the heat on and the AC on, it smells kind of mildewy and gross. So I've had that in several cars. So I typically will change these guys at least once a year, if not, twice a year, depending upon seasons, etc., because they can get full of stuff, just like your regular engine air filter can as well. We're going to take our new air filter. Again, it's a Purolator 1. Part number is C25858. I picked this up at Advance Auto. I think it was like 13 bucks. We're going to open this up, and we want to pay attention to the airflow. So we'll pull this out, put our box aside for the moment, and this one, if you look at the writing, it says the airflow is up. So in this case, because the airflow in our truck is down, we'll have to flip it over like this and slide it in that way. We'll take our new filter, make sure it's in the right direction, and there is a harness back there, a wiring harness back there that you have to watch out for. It does get in the way. It's trickier to get this in than it is out. Oops, there goes my light. So now we've got it lined up. We'll put it in place here like so, just until it stops. Now we'll take our cover. Again, note the airflow direction. It's keyed, so you can't put it on backwards anyway, but note the airflow direction. We'll come back in here. And we'll snap it back into place. Finally, we'll locate our little stop or strap here. Make sure that's out. We're gonna put the glove box back into these slots on the bottom. We're gonna squeeze the sides so they go back into place. We'll tip it up a little, and we'll put our fastener or cable back in place. And that's how you change the cabin air filter on your 2017 Ram 1500. Guys, if you like these videos I've been putting out lately, please feel free to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post the latest videos. And also, if you follow along on social media, I post kind of some behind the scenes pictures and things there as well. I'll put the links in the description.